Hello students, in the previous session we were discussing about multiplication of matrices. In this class we shall discuss some more definitions. Based on these definitions we have the next set of problems. Let us see. First one is transpose of a matrix. What is this transpose of a matrix? Suppose you are given a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to interchange rows with columns or columns with rows. Now this transpose will be 1, 2, 3, 4 is A. Its transpose will be 1, 3, 2, 4. That is columns I am writing as rows. This is called A transpose. It is denoted by A par T or A dash. Okay, that is what is transpose. Next you have symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A is equal to A transpose. That is, if you transpose a given matrix and if you get back the same matrix again, then it is called a symmetric matrix. For example, you have 2, 0, 0, 2. Transpose it, you have 2, 0, 0, 2. Again you are getting back the same matrix. Such type of matrices are called symmetric matrix. Next we have something called as skew symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, A transpose should be equal to minus A. For example, let us take A as 0, 2, minus 2, 0. A transpose will be 0, minus 2, 2, 0. And minus of A is what? 0, minus 2, 2, 0. So you are getting A transpose is equal to minus A. Such type of matrices are called skew symmetric matrices. So based on this, we have some problems. Let us discuss some problems. Note down the definitions. Let us discuss the first problem. If A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3, find A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Now here you have given A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. What will be A transpose? Write the columns as rows. 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. A plus A transpose. 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 3 plus 3. So that is 4 minus 9 minus 9 6. That is A plus A transpose. Next A into A transpose. What is matrix A here? 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. A transpose is 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. So here this rows you are writing as columns. 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. Right. Now A into A transpose. First row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. This is how you will multiply. 2 into 2 plus minus 4 into minus 4. 2 into minus 5 plus minus 4 into 3. Minus 5 into 2 plus 3 into minus 4. Minus 5 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3. This is nothing but 4 plus 16 minus 10 minus 12 minus 10 minus 12 minus 25 plus 9. 4 plus 16 is 20, is minus 22 minus 22. 9 minus 25 is minus 16. So this is what you have. Let us discuss the next problem. second one, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7 is a symmetric matrix. Find x. Given matrix is a symmetric matrix, that is, given A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7. A transpose is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5x, 3, 6, 7. Okay. A is symmetric. This implies A is equal to A transpose. This implies x is equal to 6. What is the position of x? What do you have in x place? You have 6. So value of x is equal to 6. Let's discuss the next problem. Third one, if A is equal to 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 5, and B is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, find A into B transpose whole transpose. This is what you have to find. Now, here A is given as 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 5. B is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 2. B transpose is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 2. A into B transpose is equal to 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 2. How to multiply? You have to multiply rows with columns. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Here, the order here is 2 by 3. Here the order is 3 by 2. So we can multiply these two matrices. You get a 2 by 2 matrix. A B transpose is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 into minus 2. This is what you have. So that is equal to minus 2 here. Here you get minus 2. Here you get 1 plus 1, 2. Here you get 0, 1, minus 10. That is 1 minus 10, which is minus 9. This is A into B transpose. A into B transpose whole transpose is equal. This is equal to A into B transpose. A into B transpose whole transpose is equal to minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 9. I am writing rows as columns. So this is what is AB transpose whole transpose. That's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.